Welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix DragonSword Awakening gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first method is to restart our PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart our PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on controller, and here you have to select enable Steam input, and after that launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, come back again, select disable Steam input, and then now check if the gamepad is working or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. Next is to update your controller drivers. For that you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that you have to go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. After verifying the game files, launch the game and see if gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to remove controller and add it again. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Bluetooth and devices. From here you have to remove your controller. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again go to the settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device, add your controller over here by clicking on everything else, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to enter big picture mode. So go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here in the above section you can see enter big picture mode. You have to click on it. After entering big picture mode, you have to play the game, and after that again exit big picture mode. After doing this, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.